The Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty, arguably one of New York City's most iconic symbols, is a popular tourist attraction for first-time visitors to the city. This 150-foot monument was gifted to the United States from France in order to celebrate 100 years of America's independence. The statue is located on Liberty Island, and it is accessible by taking a ferry from either Battery Park in New York City or Liberty State Park in Jersey City. When Claire visited the Statue of Liberty for the first time, she instantly admired it as a symbol of freedom. Claire made sure to make reservations before her visit because only 240 people are permitted to climb the staircase to the top of the statue every day. After climbing almost 400 stairs, Claire received spectacular views of the city from the statue's crown. During her visit, Claire learned that the Statue of Liberty was not always the color that it is now. She found out that because the statue's exterior is made of copper, the statue oxidized over time, giving it the greenish appearance it has in present day. When it was first constructed, the statue was the same color as a shiny penny. After touring the Statue of Liberty, Claire spent the rest of the day in New York City visiting other important monuments and historic landmarks. Claire left New York hoping to have had the time to explore more sites, but she can't wait to return to the city in the future. Did you understand the text? It's time to answer the questions.